The Under Cabinet Bottle Rack from Hardware Resources, helping organize your kitchen in 11 minutes or less. Tools required for installation: Phillips screwdriver or screw gun. You may desire to use a measuring tape to determine mounting location, though not necessary, and some sort of marking device. It is recommended to place the bottle rack at least 1 inch away from the wall to allow more of the wine bottle to rest upon the rack. Determine mounting location. Mark and secure with the 4 screws provided.